is Shelli Harty with RES Luxury Group, EXP Realty. We are spotlighting a local business today, and I am here with Kat Crisp of K&K Property Ventures. How are you?
I am wonderful. How are you?
Good.
Thanks for having us.
So Kat and I, we've been on a journey. Mm-hmm. So we've gone from K&K Property Ventures to Shelli and Kat Adventures.
Yes.
To the day that we met was at a politely put distressed property.
Very much so, yes.
I came prepared, prissy, with gloves and everything that we thought we would need, and Kat charged head on. I'm like, I'm gonna have to keep up with this one. So we've been looking at houses. Kat's been investing, and we've been having fun along the way.
Yes, we have.
So tell me how you and your husband Keith decided to get started in this.
Of course. So real estate has always been something that I've been very, very intrigued with. My father kind of, it sparked that interest in me as a child. But my husband and I were actually going through our own renovation on our property. And I said, I think we can do this.
Yeah.
And so I signed us up for a course, and here we are. And it's been a lot of education, a lot of learning along the way. But I'm telling you what, the way that we can impact our community is on a whole other level, is very heartfelt.
So what is your vision? What are your goals for the future?
Yeah, so our vision is to be the most seller-centered real estate solutions company in the state of Florida. And I say solutions because a lot of people come with this connotation to investor, and we want to change that. So, our goal is to, find properties and, make them shine again. We do things right with K&K Property Ventures. So there's no cutting corners, and we bring the properties back to life. And so it's very exciting. And Shelli's been a part of that process the whole way.
This is something I'm surprised I was just finding out, but so there's something that you do that's pretty cool to give back to the community with the proceeds of each closing that you have. Can you tell us about that? Yeah.
So my husband and I are huge animal lovers. We have 4 rescues of our own, and so we wanted to be able to give back in another way and help our community. So every single property that we sell, a proceeds of that will go to, a portion of the proceeds will go to the Citrus County Animal Shelter. So, and with that, we want to grow and continue to grow that program as well.
Yeah, I love that. So can you tell us a little bit more about your vision and what your goals are with K&K?
Of course. Our vision is to impact as many individuals as we possibly can. So we want to be able to provide multiple solutions for individuals within their home. We want to help to rebuild our communities. Improve our, local little areas, improve the homes in the areas, and provide individuals here in our community with solutions out of their situation that they may be in. So, and do it with, with integrity and,
Style.
That's true. And we look at a property, we walk through the property, we determine what needs to be done, and we do it correctly. So we don't cut any corners with K&K Property Ventures, and we ensure that the property is done to our expectations, and our expectations are very high. So
that was one of the things that stuck in my head when the first time we were looking at a property, and you're like, it needs this, and this. And, I had some questions, and you said that you will not remodel a house. You remodel every house with the thought that you would raise your own family there.
Absolutely.
And if you won't raise your own family there, that you can't expect someone else to.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And, that stuck with me, and I respected that.
Yes. We'll pass on a property before you will find another solution for that individual versus us picking it up if there's not the room there to be able to do what needs to be done to the home correctly.
So, like you said, a lot of people have, negative thoughts when it comes to investors or flippers, but, it's still, in the beginning, but there will come a day when K&K Property Ventures will become synonymous with excellence. They are synonymous with excellence, but there will come a day where if you know that this house is being sold by K&K Property Ventures, you have no concerns, nothing to worry about in the future. It's been a pleasure working with you. It's always an adventure. It's always an adventure with the venture.
Adventure with the venture, yes.
All right, and I'm Shelli Harty. My contact number is 443-624-3605. And Kat with K&K Property Ventures.
Yep, and my phone number is 352-422-5602.
All right, thank you for that, because I have you on speed dial.
Thank you, guys.
K&K Property Ventures has multiple solutions to help homeowners in our community. If you are interested in a quick cash offer on your home for any reason, give them a call or visit their website at knkpv.com to get started.